Hello, this is Expert33 back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get to the end of the parkour challenge. Oh, yeah, let's go. There's spawn, so you need to run around here, follow the concrete, and then you will become to the parkour. Once you step on the pressure plate, it will start your timer. So ready? You go like this. First, you need to jump up here, speed jump, otherwise it won't work. Jump up here, jump up here. For me, I slow down here and jump like that, and then when I get to this, I speed jump like that, and then I'm on number 1. I jump here, and I go to the side here, and then I jump up there, and then for this I jump there, there, and this is checkpoint 2. When you die, it gets you back to the checkpoint. Then you jump up here, I jump up here and here, and then jump up here. I fell. Once you fell, see how you spawn back at checkpoint 2, so yeah. I think my parkour challenge failed, but who cares. And you climb up here. Oh, I fell again. I spawned back here because my parkour challenge, so let me go back up there again. It's going to be a long journey. See, my timer reset, so speed jump. If you don't do speed jump, you won't be able to get up there. See, I can't go up there, so speed jump. I need to speed jump. Jump at the perfect time, otherwise it won't get you there. And you jump here, up here, and then I speed jump. Okay, so then you checkpoint 1. So if I die here, I will go back to that checkpoint. Then I jump there, which I fall again. See, I died, and I go back to checkpoint 2. I'm the worst player ever, if you say. And then I go back up here, jump there, try to make it, but I fall. Yeah, I keep falling because I'm very bad at Minecraft. Well, I am good at Minecraft, but parkour is my third best thing, but I'm not that good at it. See? Yeah. I'm never good at parkour. If you're watching this video, you should not be watching if you want to know how to get to the end of the parkour challenge. So you go up here, go up there, jump there, and this is checkpoint 3. Then you have to go jump down here. You need to still speed jump, jump off the edge there, and you land there, jump here, jump here, jump there, jump there, jump there, jump over here, otherwise you're not going to make it. Speed jump, slow down, jump like this, jump there, and I fall into the void again, because I'm bad, and then you jump back here because you respawn at checkpoint 3, and then I jump here, jump there, jump up here, jump there, jump, slow down, jump there, jump there, jump there, and you're all the way back up here. But if you wanted to get up to the piano, you go all the way up that ladder and you're at the piano. But I'm going back and I'm at the end of the parkour. So it should say my time, but I think this is glitching, so yeah. So everyone, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down in the section below what I should do for my next video. Okay, bye!